All right, let's check back in with our meteorologist, Amber Lee, joining us now with your next weather forecast. Amber.
All right, Amy, we're just days away from the weekend. I know everybody has big plans, but because things are going to get really hot, the place to be is probably some sort of body of water near the coast, because inland, we were talking about dangerously hot temperatures. So maybe you want to reconsider if you're doing anything outside, especially in the middle part of the day, because we are talking very hot conditions as you head inland. Right now, though, Santa Monica looking great. We have a few clouds up above still, and that's because right now we're dealing with a little bit more of that humidity. Take a look at the dew point for Santa Monica. We're in the 60s. Normally we should be in the 50s, where it's a little bit more comfortable. Anytime we start to get in the 60s for us here in Southern California, we definitely feel it. 72 right now for Santa Monica. Winds are light, coming in about 6 miles per hour. And then here's a look at the dew point, which is another good form of moisture measurement in our atmosphere everywhere else. We are starting to climb up a little closer to 70s, and that means it gets a little bit more uncomfortable. So upper 60s for Pasadena, upper 60s for Claremont, the dew point, upper 60s also for Camarillo. So with our dew point tracker, you can see when you're in the upper 60s, it's very humid, and then it's going to make the thermometer feel like it's even hotter than what we're dealing with right now. So for Santa Monica, you're going to pretty much stay in the muggy conditions even as we head into this upcoming weekend. The visible satellite shows that we do have some clouds still kind of hovering around some of our beach communities in southern Orange County, and then we do have some clouds, but they're not quite as thick as what we've seen in the past. But we also have some mid to high level clouds streaming in from that humidity. So the warming trend continues with peak heat for the weekend. Saturday's probably going to be the hottest, so prepare for that. Otherwise, today there is a chance for those isolated thunderstorms and showers because of that increased humidity over the mountains and deserts. It gets a little drier as we head into Friday and Saturday, but then the start of next week, it looks like that humidity should be returning. So the live radar is picking up some lightning strikes. So that kind of tells you we have the unstable air really pushing into the north of us. So it is getting closer. High pressures over the Four Corners region, which is scooping in that monsoonal moisture. It's going to continue to work its way closer to us as we head toward the weekend. And then it's going to really set up shop near the Great Basin area. Otherwise, today you could see a lot of activity through the afternoon. Again, when thunder roars, head indoors, and we're looking at the isolated thunderstorms and showers. And then it should start to taper off early evening before the sun goes down. This high pressure system is what's going to bring in that dangerously hot temperatures, because as it gets closer to us, that's when the temperatures really start to soar. And then a high pressure system is going to stick around until at least the middle of next week. So that means we're talking above average conditions during this time. Temperatures today still not bad, but again, with the humidity, it may feel even hotter. We get into the 90s for LA and Orange County by Saturday and Sunday. For the valleys, we're talking upper 90s today, triple digits tomorrow, and then look at that, Saturday and Sunday, 106 and then 105 as we head into Monday. Inland Empire, upper 90s today with triple digits from Friday on into Tuesday. A little bit of relief arrives by the time we head into Wednesday of next week. Our desert communities, we're going to top out at about 111 on Saturday. There is a chance for isolated thunderstorms and showers, not just today for our mountain communities, but as we head toward tomorrow. And then you can see how things kind of shut off just a little bit, and then we start to see the activity pick back up at the start of next week because a little bit more of that humidity creeps back in. For the beaches, 75 today, and then we're looking at upper 70s starting tomorrow, holding steady all the way until Wednesday of next week. So Amy, it's going to get pretty hot as we head into the next few days. So just hydrate and try and stay indoors and air conditioning as much as possible. If you have to be outside, try and limit your outdoor exposure. Back to you.
All right, Amber, thank you.
Now you can get your KCAL news, weather, and live stream all in one place on the CBS News app. Download it free today.